infancy in several manners. Systems biology is actually in an exponential improvement stage in modern years and has been vastly utilized in pharmacology to better perceive molecular foundation of illness and mechanism of medication action. Weakened intermolecular reciprocal actions are not only essential in supramolecular chemistry approach, those catch the organic universe together and are accountable for the very presence of crystals and liquids. Encompassing medicine, chemistry, biology, computer science, biochemistry, engineering, mathematics, and other scopes, computational toxicology examines the interactions of biological organisms and chemical factors across several scales, for example, individual, population, molecular, and cellular. Thus, dynamical modeling and biological network analysis have been progressively utilized to situate under the genotype-phenotype connections in human illness. Computational toxicology combines chemistry of toxicological interest and molecular biology together with computational science and mathematical modeling and can thus be recognized as an independent section inside computational systems biology.